The Foundation is mostly known for hosting Wikipedia, the Internet Encyclopedia, as well as Wiktionary, Wikiquote, Wikibooks, Wikisource, Wikimedia Commons, Wikispecies, Wikinews, Wikiversity, Wikidata, Wikivoyage, Wikimedia Incubator, and MetaWiki. It also owned the now-defunct Nupedia. The Wikimedia organization was founded in 2003 by Jimmy Wales, co-founder of Wikipedia, as a way to fund Wikipedia and its sister projects through non-profit means. As of 2015 update, the Foundation employs over 280 people, with annual revenues in excess of $75 million. Leela Tretikov leads the Foundation as its executive director, and Patricio Lorenta is chairman of the board. Goal. The Wikimedia Foundation falls under Section 501 of the U.S. Internal Revenue Code as a public charity. Its National Taxonomy of Exempt Entities Code is B60. The Foundation's bylaws declare a statement of purpose of collecting and developing educational content and to disseminate it effectively and globally. The Wikimedia Foundation's stated goal is to develop and maintain open content, wiki-based projects, and to provide the full contents of those projects to the public free of charge. History. In 2001, Jimmy Wales, an internet entrepreneur, and Larry Sanger, a software developer, founded Wikipedia, an internet encyclopedia. The project was originally funded by Bomish, Wales's for-profit business. As Wikipedia's popularity skyrocketed, revenues to fund the project stalled. Since Wikipedia was depleting Bomber resources, Wales and Sanger thought of a charity model to fund the project. The Wikimedia Foundation was then created from Wikipedia and Nupedia on June 20, 2003. It applied to the United States Patent and Trademark Office to trademark Wikipedia on September 17, 2004. The mark was granted registration status on January 10, 2006. Trademark protection was accorded by Japan on December 16, 2004, and, in the European Union, on January 20, 2005. There were plans to license the use of the Wikipedia trademark for some products, such as books or DVDs. In April 2005, the U.S. Internal Revenue Service approved the foundation as an educational foundation in the category Adult Continuing Education, meaning all contributions to the foundation are tax-deductible for U.S. federal income tax purposes. On December 11, 2006, the Foundation's board noted that the corporation could not become the membership organization initially planned but never implemented due to an inability to meet the registration requirements of Florida statutory law. Accordingly, the bylaws were amended to remove all reference to membership rights and activities. The decision to change the bylaws was passed by the board unanimously. On September 25, 2007, the Foundation's board gave notice that the operations would be moving to the San Francisco Bay Area. Major considerations cited for choosing San Francisco were proximity to like-minded organizations and potential partners, a better talent pool, as well as cheaper and more convenient international travel than is available from St. Petersburg, Florida. Projects and initiatives. Wikimedia projects. In addition to Wikipedia, the Foundation operates other wikis that follow the free content model, with their main goal being the dissemination of knowledge. These include movement affiliates. Wikimedia movement affiliates are independent, but formally recognized groups of people intended to work together to support and contribute to the Wikimedia movement. The Wikimedia Foundation's Board of Trustees has approved 3 active models for movement affiliates: chapters, thematic organizations, and user groups. Movement affiliates are intended to organize and engage in activities to support and contribute to the Wikimedia movement, such as regional conferences, outreach, editathons, hackathons, public relations, public policy advocacy, GLAM engagement, and Wikimania. Recognition of a chapter and thematic organization is approved by the Foundation's board. Recommendations on recognition of chapters and thematic organizations are made to the Foundation's board by an affiliations committee, composed of Wikimedia community volunteers. The affiliations committee approves the recognition of individual user groups, while movement affiliates are formally recognized by the Wikimedia Foundation. They are independent of the Wikimedia Foundation, with no legal control of nor responsibility for the Wikimedia projects. The Foundation began recognizing chapters in 2004. In 2010, development on additional models began. In 2012, the Foundation approved, finalized, and adopted the thematic organization and user group recognition models. An additional model, Movement Partners, was also approved, but as of the 27th of October 2015 update, has not yet been finalized or adopted. Wikimedia Chapters are national not-for-profit organizations created to support and promote the Wikimedia projects locally. Following recognition by the Wikimedia Foundation Board of Trustees, they enter into a chapters agreement with the Foundation. As of the 27th of October 2015 update, there are 41 recognized Wikimedia chapters. Wikimedia thematic organizations are not-for-profit organizations created to support and promote the Wikimedia projects and focused on a specific theme, topic, subject or issue within or across countries and regions. Following recognition by the Wikimedia Foundation Board of Trustees, they enter into a thematic organizations agreement with the Foundation. As of the 27th of October 2015 update, there is one recognized Wikimedia thematic organization. Wikimedia user groups are less formal groups created to support and promote the Wikimedia project locally or on a specific theme, topic, subject, or issue. The user group model was created as a more simple and flexible alternative to chapters and thematic organizations, which have more formal requirements. Once they are recognized by the Affiliations Committee, they enter into a user groups agreement and code of conduct with the Foundation. As of the 27th of October 2015 update, there are 47 recognized Wikimedia user groups. Wikimania. Each year, an international conference called Wikimania brings the people together who are involved in the Wikimedia organizations and projects. The first Wikimania was held in Frankfurt, Germany, in 2005. Nowadays, Wikimania is organized by a committee supported usually by the national chapter, in collaboration with the Wikimedia Foundation. Wikimania has been held in cities such as Buenos Aires, Cambridge, Haifa, Hong Kong, and London. In 2015, Wikimania took place in Mexico City. In 2016, Wikimania will be held in Essino Lario, Italy. Strategic plan. In response to the growing size and popularity of Wikipedia, the Wikimedia Foundation announced a strategic plan to improve and sustain the Wikimedia movement. The plan was announced in July 2009, followed by a process of interviews and surveys with people from across the Wikimedia movement, including Board of Trustees, members of staff and volunteer editors. The ongoing plan was intended to be the basis of a 5-year plan to further outreach, improve content quality and quality control, and optimizing operational areas such as finance and infrastructure. Wikipedia Usability Initiative. In December 2008, the Wikimedia Foundation announced a restricted donation grant of $890,000 from the Stanton Foundation to improve Wikipedia's accessibility. Later named the Wikipedia Usability Initiative, the grant was used by the Wikimedia Foundation to appoint project-specific staff to the technology department. A series of surveys were conducted throughout 2009. This began with a qualitative environment survey on Mediawiki extensions, followed by a qualitative statistical survey focusing on volume of edits. number of new users, and related statistics. In March 2009, a usability and experience study was carried out on new and non-editors of the English Wikipedia. The aim was to discover what obstacles participants encountered while editing Wikipedia, ranging from small changes to more complicated syntax such as templates. The study recruited 2,500 people for in-person laboratory testing via the Wikipedia website, which was filtered down to 10 participants. The results were collated and used by the technology team to improve Wikipedia's usability. The usability and experience study was followed up by the usability, experience and progress study in September 2009. This study recruited different new and non-editors for in-person trials on a new Wikipedia skin. The initiative ultimately culminated in a new Wikipedia skin named Vector, constructed based on the results of the usability studies. This was introduced by default in stages, beginning in May 2010. Public Policy Initiative. In May 2010, the Wikimedia Foundation announced the Public Policy Initiative, following a $1.2 million donation by the Stanton Foundation. The initiative was set up to improve articles relating to public policy-related issues. As a part of the initiative, Wikipedia collaborated with 10 universities to help students and professors create and maintain articles relating to public policy. Volunteer editors of Wikipedia, known as ambassadors, provided assistance to students and professors. This was either done on campus sites or online. Technology. The Foundation employs technology including hardware and software to run its projects. Hardware. Wikipedia employed a single server until 2004, when the server setup was expanded into a distributed multi-tier architecture. In January 2005, the project ran on 39 dedicated servers in Florida. This configuration included a single master database server running MySQL, multiple slave database servers, 21 web servers running the Apache HTTP server, and 7 Squid cache servers. Wikimedia currently runs on dedicated clusters of Linux servers. As of December 2009 update, there were 300 in Florida and 44 in Amsterdam. The number of servers needed to run the infrastructure has been mostly stable since then. 520 servers are used in the main cluster as of November 2015. As of 2015, the system still runs on central master database and application servers. But there are several cache layers with various ever-changing technologies, as well as a multitude of subsystems for DNS resolution, load balancing, metrics, monitoring, other system administration etc. SOFTWR. The operation of Wikimedia depends on Mediawiki, a custom-made, free and open-source wiki software platform written in PHP and built upon the MySQL database. The software incorporates programming features such as a macro language, variables, a transclusion system for templates, and URL redirection. Mediawiki is licensed under the GNU General Public License and it is used by all Wikimedia projects, as well as many other wiki projects. Originally, Wikipedia ran on UseModWiki written in Perl by Clifford Adams, which initially required camel case for article hyperlinks. The present double bracket style was incorporated later. Starting in January 2002, Wikipedia began running on a PHP wiki engine with a MySQL database. This software was custom-made for Wikipedia by Magnus Manske. The Phase 2 software was repeatedly modified to accommodate the exponentially increasing demand. In July 2002, Wikipedia shifted to the third-generation software, Mediawiki, originally written by Lee Daniel Crocker. Several Mediawiki extensions are installed to extend the functionality of Mediawiki software. In April 2005, a Lucene extension was added to Mediawiki's built-in search, and Wikipedia switched from MySQL to Lucene for searching. Currently Lucene Search 2.1, which is written in Java and based on Lucene Library 2.3, is used. Wikimedia Foundation also uses Civicum and WordPress. The Foundation published official Wikipedia mobile apps for Android and iOS devices, and in March 2015, the apps were updated to include mobile user-friendly features. Finances. In general, the Wikimedia Foundation relies on public contributions and grants to fund its mission. It is exempt from federal income tax and from state income tax. It is not a private foundation, and contributions to it qualify as tax-deductible charitable contributions. The continued technical and economic growth of each of the Wikimedia projects is dependent mostly on donations, but the Wikimedia Foundation also increases its revenue by alternative means of funding such as grants, sponsorship, services and brand merchandising. The Wikimedia OAI-PMH update feed service, targeted primarily at search engines and similar bulk analysis and republishing, has been a source of revenue for several years, but is no longer open to new customers. DBpedia was given access to this feed free of charge. In July 2014, the Foundation announced it would be accepting Bitcoin donations. Since the end of fiscal year ended 2004, the Foundation's net assets have grown from $57,000 to $53.5 million at the end of fiscal year ended June 30, 2014. Under the leadership of Sue Gardner, who joined the Wikimedia Foundation in 2007, the Foundation's staff levels, number of donors and revenue have seen very significant growth. In 2007, Charity Navigator gave Wikimedia an overall rating of 3 out of 4 possible stars. Charity Navigator gave 3 out of 4 possible stars in overall rating for fiscal years 2008 and 2009, which improved to 4 stars in 2010. The current overall rating is 4 stars, 3 stars for financial, 4 stars for accountability and transparency. Grants. In March 2008, the Foundation announced a large donation, at the time its largest donation yet, a 3-year, $3 million grant from the Alfred P. Sloan Foundation. In 2009, the Foundation received 4 grants. The first grant was a $890,000 Stanton Foundation grant, which was aimed to help study and simplify user interface for first-time authors of Wikipedia. The second was a $300,000 Ford Foundation grant, given in July 2009, for Wikimedia Commons that aimed to improve the interfaces and workflows for multimedia uploading on Wikimedia websites. In August 2009, the Foundation received a $500,000 grant from the William and Flora Hewlett Foundation. Lastly, in August 2009, the Media Network issued a potential $2 million in grant funding to Wikimedia. In 2010, the Google Corporation donated $2 million to the Foundation. Also in 2010, the William and Flora Hewlett Foundation pledged a $800,000 grant, and all was funded during 2011. In March 2011, the Alfred P. Sloan Foundation authorized another $3 million grant to continue to develop and maintain the Foundation's mission. The grant was to be funded over 3 years, with the first $1 million funded in July 2011 and the remaining $2 million was scheduled to be funded in August 2012 and 2013. In August 2011, the Stanton Foundation pledged to fund a $3.6 million grant, of which $1.8 million was funded and the remaining was due to be funded in September 2012. As of 2011, this was the largest grant received by the Wikimedia Foundation to date. In November 2011, the Foundation received a $500,000 donation from Google co-founder Sergey Brin and his wife. In 2012, the Foundation was awarded a grant of $1.25 million from the historians Lisbeth Rousing and Peter Baldwin through Charities Aid Foundation, scheduled to be funded in 5 equal installments. The first installment of $250,000 was received in April 2012 and the remaining were to be funded in December 2012 through 2015. In 2014, the foundation received the largest single gift in its history, a $5 million unrestricted donation from an anonymous donor supporting $1 million worth of expenses annually for the next 5 years. Financial summary. Governance. Board of Trustees. The Board of Trustees has ultimate authority of all the businesses and affairs of the Foundation. It is composed of 10 members, 4 who are appointed by the board itself, 3 who are selected by the community encompassed by all the different Wikimedia projects, 2 who are selected by the local chapters and thematic organizations, and 1 emeritus for the Foundation's founder, Jimmy Wales. 3 permanent entities support the board on its mission and responsibilities. An executive director, namely Leela Tretikoff, which leads and oversees the operational arm of the Foundation. An advisory board composed of individuals selected by the board itself that advise the board on different matters, and standing committees to which the board delegates certain matters while retaining ultimate authority. The board has also at times created other orthodox entities to support itself, such as executive secretaries and ad hoc committees established for specific tasks. The current board comprises Patricio Lorenta as chairman and Alice Wiegand as vice chairman, together with Frida Briosky, Darius Jamilniak, Guy Kawasaki, Denny Vrandesic, Jan Bart V. Reed, Jimmy Wales and Stu West as members at large. James Heilman, one of the 3 community-elected members, has been ousted from the board during a board meeting on December 28, 2015 without giving reasons to the public yet. Advisory Board. The Advisory Board, according to the Wikimedia Foundation, is an international network of experts who have agreed to give the Foundation meaningful help on a regular basis in many different areas, including law, organizational development, technology, policy, and outreach.